Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a very simple but very efficient trading system based on indicator called CCI Smooth. So let's start. I got a template prepared already for this system, but let me open it for you. I call it CCI 45. It's based on CCI Smooth period 45 with two levels, 60 and minus 60. As you can see over here, let me show you. Give me a second. Here we go. So input, we got 45 for CCI period. We got CCI period 5. CCI period 1, we got a value of 3, and the level is 0.015. That's it. Still, we have levels over here. Levels are 60 and minus 60. If you don't know how to put your levels over here, let me show you. I'll do it just for you in 2 seconds. So we delete this one and this one. Simply, we do add. We put here 60. Click OK. Make add minus 60. We choose the color. I've chosen gold. Type of line. I put myself like this one. And the thickness is only one thickness for dashes. That's with normal line you can do it thicker. So leave it like that. Yeah. So once again, input we got period CCI period 45. CCI period 1 is 3. And level is 0.015. That's it. We click OK, and that's our indicator. So the rule says if the CCI Smooth 45 crosses below the 60 level, we sell. And if the CCI 45 crosses above minus 60 level, we buy. Have a look over here. Let's go back. I'll show you something. Okay, so here we sell this way. Over here, somewhere here, the price crosses below, we sell here. We got stop loss placed above last high. The take profit usually make 2 no, never. So we got sell period here, sell here. And as you see, stop loss level haven't been reached here. We take profit. Here. 1 to 1 to 2 1, whatever you. Here we got another signal. Here you got cross here, so we buy here and stop loss here. Obviously, we can make a trailing stop and move it as soon as the price goes higher. We can move our stop loss, the break even, in order to keep on the safe side of the trade. In the case if the price reverses, we just don't lose our money in the position, will be saved. Yeah. So here we go. Here it is. And again, here we go. Sell signal. We got sell signal here. So maybe here. So we sell here. Stop loss is that level, 73. And as soon as the price moves down 30-40 pips, we move our stop loss to break even and trail the price till it gets where it gets. I use, as you see, a stochastic indicator as well over here with 2133 settings, which somehow helps me to evaluate how it is going, how the trend is. If stochastic is falling and the CCI is falling, so it's an additional confirmation. Look here, when the CCI Smooth crossed value of 60 below the value of 60, stochastic crossed below the value of 50, which is somewhere here, which gives me an additional indicator. It shows me that the price is going down. The same story here. You see, the price crossed and stochastic went into overbought area. You might have realized that when stochastic gets into the overbought area, it stays quite pretty long time over there. Same story here. When it went into the oversold area, it took quite a good couple of candles when it stayed below the value of 20. So stochastic I use as a supplementary indicator, but basing only on this one. So crossing below 60 we sell, crossing above minus 60 we buy. That's all the story. I wish you only green pips, my friend, and hope to see you back. If you like this video, just give me a like. If you want to see some more films, just subscribe, and we'll be in touch frequently. So thank you very much. Thanks for your time for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.